Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to open the old Revit template instead of the multi-discipline one. To do that, I'm in home screen right now, so click new. Here by default the multi-discipline one is selected, whether it's Imperial or metric. So to open the old default template, let's say I want to open the metric one. To do that, I'm gonna select here from the multi-discipline. I'm gonna select the metric one, and here I can click on browse. So here I can click on default metric and open. Click OK. Here I have opened the template. For comparison, let's open the multidiscipline one. Click new, multidiscipline selected, click OK. Here we go. So here in project browser, you can understand it's quite complex and it's not easier to work with. A lot of categories are there, like architectural, coordination, electrical, and more. So for this, the old default one, it's quite simple and easier to work with.